Welcome to Cope's Crossing, Pulte Homes' newest community in White House, Tennessee. Cope's Crossing offers two distinctive home series with a variety of consumer-inspired design features, including first-floor owner suites, single-level or two-story living, and flex spaces. Floor plans range from 3 to 5 bedrooms and 1,700 square feet to over 2,600 square feet. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, moving up to accommodate a growing family, or downsizing because the nest is empty, Cope's Crossing offers an exceptional choice of insightfully designed homes to fit your needs. This family-friendly community is surrounded by lush greenery and offers community pocket parks with a tot lot. Cope's Crossing borders with White House Greenway and Arboretum, making an evening stroll or bike ride with the family fun and effortless. Located across from White House High School and 5 minutes from I-65 make this location extremely convenient, and residents appreciate the easy commute to Nashville. Shopping, dining, and other everyday conveniences are only a few minutes from your door, and an easy drive to Hendersonville provides additional options like Target and the Glenbrook Shopping Mall. Buy with confidence, knowing you're purchasing a well-built home backed by an industry-leading warranty. We can't wait to welcome you as the next homeowners in Cope's Crossing.